automation is becoming very important for online business. Many people waste hours every day doing small repeated tasks like copying data, sending messages, updating sheets, or moving the files. Automation tools help you to save time by letting software do this work for you. Two popular open source automation platforms are the n8n and the ActivePieces. Both allow you to connect different apps and create automated workflows, but they are built in different ways. In this video, we will compare n8n and ActivePieces so you can understand which one is better for your needs. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to explore n8n and ActivePieces with any available free plans or special access. By using the description link, any benefit that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First of all, let's talk about the n8n. n8n is a powerful open source automation platform that allows you to build workflows by connecting different services. You can use it to connect things like email, databases, forms, websites, and many online tools. n8n is popular because it gives you full control over your data. You can host it on your own server, which means your information stays with you and not with a third-party company. This is very useful for businesses that care about their privacy and security. n8n works by letting you create workflows using nodes. Each node represents an action like getting data, sending a message, or updating a record. You can connect these nodes together to build a flow. For example, when someone fills out a form, n8n can automatically send them an email and save their data in your spreadsheet. This happens without you touching anything. n8n is very flexible and powerful, but it does have a learning curve. Beginners may find it confusing at first because there are many settings and options. But once you understand the basic, n8n becomes a very strong tool that you can handle simple and advanced automations. Now let's talk about the ActivePieces. ActivePieces is also an open source automation tool, but it focuses more on simplicity and user experience. It is designed to be easy to use even for the people who have never built automations before. The interface is clean and building a workflow feels more friendly and less technical. ActivePieces allow you to connect popular apps like email services, chat apps, spreadsheets, and many more. You can create triggers and actions to automate the task just like n8n. The big difference is that ActivePieces tries to hide the complexity and makes everything feel simple and guided. This makes it very attractive for small businesses and beginners who want to start quickly. Both n8n and ActivePieces allow the self-hosting, which means you can run them on your own server. This gives you control over your data and reduces monthly costs. You don't have to pay for every action or workflow like some cloud automation tools. This is why open source automation is becoming more popular. When it comes to power and the flexibility, basically n8n has an advantage. It supports more advanced logic, custom code, and complex workflow. If you want to build deep integrations and handle complicated business process, n8n is usually the better choice. Many developers and tech-savvy users prefer n8n for that reason. ActivePieces, on the other hand, it focuses on making automation easy and fast to build your automation workflow. It may not have all the advanced features like the n8n, but it covers most common business needs like sending emails, updating data, and triggering actions across the platform or apps. For many small businesses, this is more than enough. Another important thing to think about is that the maintenance. Because n8n is very powerful, it sometimes requires like more setup or management. So you may need to update it, manage servers, and handle technical issues. ActivePieces usually feels lighter and easier to manage, especially for people without any technical experience. So which one should you choose? If you want full control, advanced workflow, and do not mind about the learning or more complex tool, then n8n is a strong choice. If you want a clean, simple, and easy to use, that still gives you freedom with the open source, then ActivePieces is a great option. Both tools help you to save time, reduce mistakes, and grow your business by working smarter instead of harder. So that's all basically for today's video, the comparison of n8n and ActivePieces. If this video helped you to understand better, give it a like and share it with someone who wants to automate their business. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video.